Hey, Abby. Just want to share some things about you. Thankful for your commitment these last 4 years. I remember your freshman year, you came and you're actually out asking to see if you could be a manager. And at that time, I already had a filmer and I already had a couple stat people. And so, but then you were eager to say, then you wanted to play. And 4 years later, you're still playing. And I am so thankful for your commitment. One of the things that happens is that you got to suit up one varsity game, and I loved your joy and excitement and just the passion you did just to be a part of it. And you earned that, and you deserve that, and I thank you so much. One of the things is just day in, day out, and I saw your level of commitment grow to drills and knowing what's happening. Lord, you really were. I was impressed where you knew what to do, and when you had an opportunity, you tried to take advantage of that to the best of your ability, and I love that. One of the things that most people probably didn't even notice is just your level of commitment to our team. Abby, I absolutely loved watching. Just we were getting ready. We would get ready for a varsity game, and I could count on you being there, right behind the bench, ready, eager, just to be willing to serve our girls. And sometimes that not without a thank you or whatever, just you're folding uniforms, you're getting water bottles filled if someone needed something. You were just ready and willing to help out in any way possible, and you were eager to do that. Your level of service and servanthood, and it was all behind the scenes that a lot of people didn't notice, and I thank you so much for that. One of the things that level of commitment was also revealed in just all the different things that you did for us. Abby, for the 4 years, you probably, I don't know how many jam sessions you missed, but you probably could count them on one hand. You were there all the time. I even know, like this year, you're trying to get into jam before you even go to work, and so you do jam and then you go directly to work. You loved those girls hard, and I loved it. It was just watching your passion for them, to serve them, to love them, to teach them the game was fantastic. You were at the blood drives. About anything that we had, you were the first to sign up, ready to go, being willing to participate. I'm so glad that you committed to our team, and when I say commit, you were committed. You were willing to be there for practices, for games, for all those extra activities. When there was something, you were there, and that says a lot about your character and who you are. You are extremely loyal, and you care deeply about the people that you're involved with, and you love the relationships that you grew through this. Abby, I am so thankful for you, and I am so confident that the character that you've shown of your faithfulness and your servanthood, well, those characteristics and that character will continue on with you as you go on, and we know that you'll be successful. We will miss you. We are extremely thankful, and we love you, Abby.